Considering the myriad benefits offered by the Avicii text-to-speech technology and how simple it makes information retention, businesses are integrating text-to-speech into their workflow in one form or another. Video creators can also add voiceovers or narration to their videos, eliminating the need for hiring voice actors or spending hours recording audio. Avicii text-to-speech not only saves time and resources, but also ensures consistent and professional-sounding voiceovers. You can also use this free text-to-speech reader to make your audiobooks sound as if they were narrated by someone. With Avicii text-to-speech, you can also mix and match different voices for the various characters in the audiobook to take your storytelling up a few notches. Avicii text-to-speech voices can add a touch of professionalism to your presentations to help drive home those key points. You can use Avicii text-to-speech to narrate your slides, explain your concepts, or tell the story of your brand in the exact tone and style you envisioned. I'm Jessy. Use my voice with a smile on Avicii Studio.